Give me it. Give it.
Ah, what a good day, right, Mario and Peach?
Yes. Boom.
Huh? What's this guy with the hat?
I don't know.
Hello, Mr. Computer. What's your name?
My name is Mr. Fun Computer.
Mr. Fun Computer?
Yeah. What do you want?
I will play Roblox because you're on my computer.
Shut up.
No, Luigi died.
You're doing the wrong. It's just fun. Time.
Don't worry, I can fix this.
Run. Hang us. Why? Beep.
Huh? What the heck is that robot here? What's your name?
I don't know.
Oh, I think his name is Funbot. I will kill Funbot. Yeah. Gah! Yeah.
Rush. Alright, guys. Bye. And enjoy the egg hunt on Crashers 2. And subscribe me and add a bell if you want to. Anyways, bye.